SEO copywriting is the process of creating online content that ranks high in Google, drives qualified traffic, engages readers, and ultimately convinces them to take action. After all, content that gets tons of traffic from Google but never contributes to your business objectives is useless. The same goes for content that converts like crazy but never gets any traffic. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Here are some tips to help your ranking. Match the 3 C's of search intent. Understanding search intent can be pretty straightforward. Just look at the search results and figure out the 3 C's of search intent. The first, content type. Content types almost always fall into one of 5 buckets: blog posts, product, category, landing pages, or videos. Second is content format. Content format applies mostly to informational content. Example formats include how-tos, listicles, news articles, opinion pieces, and reviews. And thirdly, content angle. Content angle is the main selling point of the content. There's usually a dominant angle in the search results. Create the best content by analyzing the top ranking pages. Google wants to rank the most relevant, useful results on the first page. So, your post should show that it deserves a place there. How do you do this? By covering all the things searchers want to know and expect to see. The easiest way to figure this out is to look for commonalities between the top ranking results. Build linking triggers in your content. Google says links are one of their top 3 ranking factors. That's probably why there's a clear correlation between links and organic traffic. So, when creating content, you should try to understand why people are linking to the pages you wish to read, and then apply those insights to your posts. For more information, visit www.iidm.world.